the fact that this is what I'm looking at right now, the Acropolis, and beautiful Athena, the fact that I'm looking at this right now is just incredible. Look at all these ruins. It's amazing. It's just a moment in history, a moment in time that we all weren't there for, but get to experience and learn all about it. It's just incredible. However, I did lose my family. I don't know where they are. I don't know where they've stopped, what they've done. I just kind of walked up here on my own just to see everything, and I lost them. So that's always great fun. We're here at Syntagma Square. Very beautiful. It's where the guards are here in Athens. Apparently in about 10 or so minutes they should do the changing, just so it's very cool to see this. It's a very beautiful building as well. Oh my god. So we are now witnessing a change. The footwork. Oh, okay. So these two, I assume, will take the positions. So we're at the Temple of Olympian Zeus. So really visibly, the only nice thing you can see is this, and the two structures here, and one of them has collapsed. Very nice. And in the background up there, I don't know if you guys can see, hang on, let's see if I can zoom in. Up here is the Acropolis. We're in Monastiraki Square. See the amount of flea markets in both corners up here. Monastiraki train station's just here.
Καθίστε και θα έρθουν τα παιδιά να βάλουν παραγγελία.
Here at Bukatsafiko. I don't know how to pronounce it properly.
That's what he
What?
sounds like. That's what he
But did I say it right?
Yes, you did.
Okay. We're here. baked delights, baked savoury and sweet. So we've got the little, I think these are Turkish inspired, they're actually really yummy. Pizza. These here are the bugatsas, which is really cool. And here's some cheese pies, I think. Spanakopita there. We've just got served our food, which looks incredible. We've got some spanakopita here, some yogurt with honey. I don't know what they call this here, which is bacon and cheese, and our bugatsa with custard. Oh my god, it looks incredible. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks yum. Okay, let's dig in. All right, so we're trying the bugatsa. Hang on, is it warm? Oh, it is. That's nice. The icing sugar that they put on top with the cinnamon.
You have to have ice and sugar.
Yeah, it gives it a really nice sweetness to it because the custard itself is not as sweet as I thought, but it gives a really nice kick to it. I think it's very well balanced. Yeah, look at that. So, a little review. The yogurt with honey, yum. Did you like it?
Yes.
Yeah, I really enjoyed that. It was very creamy, the yogurt, and the honey was just so sweet. It was so good. The bugatsa was really nice. I actually really liked the bugatsa, which I think was just icing. The spanakopita was, I actually really liked that.
Yeah, that was nice.
Yeah,
Nice, yeah.
I really liked the
Spanakopita was
spanakopita.
nice.
That was really nice. It had like a bit of cheese pieces in there, so it was nice. That's how I like my spanakopitas, with the spinach mix and the cheese. That roll that we had with the little bits of bacon and the cheese, that was really nice. I'm really enjoying that kind of baked good. We've had it a few times now, and every single time we've had it, I've not been disappointed. It's actually been really nice. Anyways, it was very nice. I do rate this place, and I will come here again, and I do recommend this place to others as well. So, that's amazing.
100%.
Thank you everyone for watching this vlog in Athens. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give it a big thumbs up, and comment down below if you've been to Athens and what your favourite place was. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!